Augmented reality versus virtual reality. So today I'll tell you what's the difference between these two technologies, so augmented reality versus virtual reality for your e-commerce. But before to start, I'm Antonio Furioso if you don't know me, and I help e-commerce to implement 3D product configurators and augmented reality. So now let's see to the board what is the difference between those two. Pay attention is the key. So one of the best way is to offer your clients best experience in your e-commerce, because best experience makes the difference in conversion and e-commerce that do not convert. So now let's start and let's see the first that is like augmented reality. So for example, here we have like augmented reality. First of all, what is augmented reality? As I define, is like a superpower because it allows us to interact with the digital object in a physical world through our smartphone and in the future with also glasses, augmented reality glasses. So this increase the user experience, augmented reality increase the user experience and your revenue. That's just consequences. But now, before to go on also, let's see the difference with the virtual reality. So virtual reality instead is a technology that allows us to immerse in a new world. So it's not that project something in our digital world, but it's like us that are like teletransported in this new world. So can be done like for a different experience because it's like the human entering in this world, and so this is like great for storytelling or also education, but has some limits. Like to have virtual reality experiences, humans need headset. So to understand each other, the things that you put on your head and like you see just through these glasses, your experience. But now let's see which one you should choose for your e-commerce, because once understand the difference, how you can use both of them or just one of them, because depends also from your purpose and what you want to do with augmented reality or virtual reality. So what kind of experience you want to build. So let's see which to choose. Well, it depends. It depends, like, as I said, like, from the experience that you want to build. Because if you are going for augmented reality when you want to showcase, like, your product, so people need to see your product directly in their space or on themselves with virtual try-on. And augmented reality, so is good for, like, usability and accessibility because it can work on smartphone. In the future, like we have smart glasses, and so the user don't need extra device to experience augmented reality. And it's also great for customer engagement because people can see your product through their smartphone and they can interact with them always with their smartphone. Instead, virtual reality is good, as I was saying, for like storytelling. So when you want to educate your client, show them a story of your company, what is behind. Virtual reality is very good for the immersive experience that it offers. So this is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, and you can use both again in your e-commerce, but if you like this video and you want to implement augmented reality, you can contact me with the link below in the description and subscribe to the channel to support and see other videos. See you at the next.